Ang. It's a fine United move in the making. Oh, beating his opponent with ease. Spot on with that tackle. And into the last 20 minutes. Options in the middle. And playing it back. Oh no, not even close to hitting the target that time. Firing it in. Oh, that is a superb save. They favoured a short one here. Showing real patience. Can they forge ahead? And that's a corner. Keen to take it short here. Fine cross into the middle. And a goal is in! Well, in terms of added time, a minimum of 1 minute. Fallon. And with that, the referee brings this contest to an end. All square here in what was a thoroughly compelling game. Stuart, your analysis?
Well, it could have gone either way. I thought both teams were very positive, though, going hammer and tongs from the very start. And I think a draw is probably the fair result.
Cross towards that far post. Oh, but claimed by the goalkeeper. Sid. Well, it didn't happen for them in attack. Cadlets. He'll be a bit annoyed to have lost the ball. Berg. Well, he prevented it from going over the line. And it's played into the centre. Thumped clear. Alvarez. Using all his defensive acumen to cut it out. And they know they need to stop him. And a good-looking ball. Sound piece of goalkeeping. High pressing at its best. And they know they need to stop him. Chance to cross. It's an opportunity. Oh, could reduce the deficit. And the flag has gone up.
Well, he has to work a lot harder to stay onside there. He didn't read the situation at all.
And the velvet touches quickly. He's given us away. Racing away here. Gives it a go. Well, the keeper had a lot of ground to cover. Splendid save. Is it going to be? And it's gone in. The team's separate. Well, good run and good ball control. Genuine chance. The save was a good one. Well, deemed to have been a cautionable offence.
Well, no question about it. He deserved his booking there.
Trying to pick out a teammate. And a goal here! Well, it took a definite nick and nothing.